Hello everyone. So today we'll be seeing about CPC exam walkthrough. Walkthrough in the sense like in this video we will be looking into a complete things which we should be aware or we should be knowing regarding CPC exam. Before you are planning to give your exam, make a note of these things, understand these things and then only proceed. Okay. So, are you feeling overwhelmed about the CPC exam? Don't worry, I have got you covered in this video. I'll give you a complete walkthrough of the CPC exam, breaking down everything you need to know to pass on your first try. From understanding the exam format to mastering time management, let's make your CPC journey easier. Stay tuned till the end for the bonus tips. So first one is overview of the CPC exam. First let's talk about the CPC exam structure. So totally we will have 100 MCQ question. Topic include coding guidelines, CPT, ICD-10, HCPCS and anatomy. You will have 4 hours of time to complete this test. Remember, CPC exam is an open book. So you code book you should be very familiar with. Second comes the understanding the section. So for CPC exam, I have distributed the marks so you can go through it. First comes medical terminology. For that you will be having 4 questions, 4 marks. Anatomy, 4 questions, 4 marks. Compliance and regulatory, 3 questions, 3 marks. Next is coding guidelines. 7 questions, 7 marks. In this, you will be addressing ICD-10 CM guidelines, CPT guidelines, parenthetical notes and modifiers. Next comes ICD questions, 5 questions, 5 marks. And HCPCS level 2, 3 questions, 3 marks. Next comes the surgery part. In surgery part, 10,000 series, 6 questions will be there, so 6 marks. 20,000 series, 6 question will be there, 6 marks. And 30,000 series, respiratory and cardiovascular, 6 question will be there, 6 marks. Digestive, 40,000 series, 6 marks. 50,000 series, urinary system, 6 marks. And 60,000 series, nervous system, 6 marks. Next comes the specialty, that is radiology coding, 6 questions, 6 marks. Pathology and laboratory, 6 questions, 6 marks. Medicine, 6 questions, 6 marks. Evaluation and management, 6 questions, 6 marks. Anesthesia, 4 questions, 4 marks. Finally, case studies, 10 case studies will be there. Each case study carry 1 mark, so totally 10 marks. This is all about mark distribution. Next comes the time management. Managing your time is very crucial. You must be knowing that you will be having only 2.4 minutes per question. Here is how you can break it down. Answer easy questions first. Flag tricky questions and revisit them later. Use practice test to simulate exam timing. Time management is very important. Okay. Next is how to use your code books. Use ICD, CPT, HCPCS books are your lifelines. Here's how you can make them work for you. Highlight the guidelines and frequently used codes. Use tabs to mark session like ENM modifiers and surgery. Annotate tricky codes or guidelines for quick reference during the exam. Finally, here comes your bonus tips for success. Take multiple time practice exam. Like I'll tell you, like you must do at least 20 mock papers. Familiarize yourself with keywords in the question like initial, subsequent, bilateral, those words. And the most important is don't ever panic. Stay calm and be confident during your exam time. You will be having the multiple choice, no? So if you feel any answer as an accurate one, go with it. So that's your CPC exam walkthrough. Now you know how to approach the exam, manage your time and use your resources effectively. Which tip was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CPC exam tips and medical coding insights. Good luck and I'll see you in the next video. For interview preparation, feel free to contact us. We are assisting for Chennai, Coimbatore, Bangalore and all India. We are providing with placement support as well as placement assistance is done for UAE also. Okay. And then if you are looking for CPC exam preparation or crash course, you can really join with us. We assure you 100% result as well as placement also. So feel free to contact. Thank you so much. And one more thing, like if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, and if you have any doubts, you can put it as a comment also. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.